Hey everyone. So just doing another quick Canva tutorial here. This one is going to be on how to remove a background in Canva. Okay, so what we would do is we would come into Canva and hopefully you have a Pro account. Pro account is so much better. You have so many more options as far as elements and different photos and graphics that you can use. Different features when you're downloading. So if you can go for the Pro version, it's worth it. I believe it's $12 a month. You know, it's decent if you're using, like, I find this tool to be amazing. It's helped me so much and saved me so much time. So check it out anyways. I mean, they have a free trial, but you know, if you can go for the Pro version, I do have a link in the descriptions on this video. So if you could, if you are interested in doing that, then click my link. That would help me out. I would appreciate that. I'm going to be pumping out different videos like this showing people how they can use these AI tools, different AI tools to be successful and save time in their online efforts and in their online businesses. So be sure to check that out. Also, do me a favor and just smash the like button, subscribe. That'll help me too. That helps the YouTube algorithm so that I can start getting some more clicks, and this video will find its way in front of those who are looking for this type of information. So that would be greatly appreciated. So anyways, when you're in Canva, if you went and you said you wanted to go create a new design, so you could always just come up to here, create design. It's going to give you all these options down here on the left hand side. I'm not going to get overly complicated here. Let's say we were going to do a YouTube thumbnail. I am just going to show you how to remove the background in a photo, but you can see there's different templates for thumbnails here, and then of course you can edit these. I'll show you all that in a different video. This is going to be just on the information for removing a background, okay? And I'm going to show you how to make an image a background. So if you wanted to create your own thumbnail, you could come in and you could go into elements and you could say, okay, let me see, maybe I want to find background. So let's say you found something that you wanted like this. You can see it says Pro. It's because that's only for the Pro version. So as you can see, it's not filling up the whole square. This is the thumbnail size. I mean, we're set to 94% down here. So this is the thumbnail size. If we right click on this, it'll give you the option to set image as background. Okay. If you wanted to remove this, then it's as simple as clicking on it till it's highlighted in that blue bounding box, and then you would obviously just delete it. Okay. But that's one aspect of removing the background. Now, if you want to remove the background in a photo, then we can do that as well. So let's just plug in a background again. Let's just say we pick this background. Set this image as background. Okay. Let's say we wanted a photo on a particular subject. Well, we'll go to photos, and we're going to say, I don't know, let's just say happy man. Okay, so we went under photos. We're in elements. We've went under photos and we've searched for happy man. These are all different photos. You can see, again, the benefits of having a Pro account. The majority of these images that you get to use in any of your projects or designs are Pro. Okay, so they require a Pro membership. So again, if you're interested in doing that, please click my link there, my affiliate link. It helps me out a little bit, helps me to continue to pump out and put out videos like this for people looking for this information. So what you would do anyways is find one that doesn't have too busy of a background, although I don't really think that matters. But for example, let's say you liked this guy. Okay, so you've got him there. You simply keep that selected. Okay, so you can see the bounding boxes around it. So again, you can resize it, right, by dragging the corners to keep the aspect ratio. Okay. Now they've changed. Canva has kind of glammed up their their control area here. So their panel here, they've kind of changed some stuff around. It used to be a little different than this. But anyways, you can see up here different options. Okay. And so you simply hit background remover. And there you go. So now the background's been removed that quickly. So you could put him in here. You could put your text in here. If you wanted to have text, you know, you could come in, hit it, add a heading. The best online marketing course, or whatever you were going to do. You could take this. Now you could just come up and change the font. If you wanted to find a different font, change it, you know, mess around with the sizes, etc. Mess around with the effects. You could come in, put a border around it, certain color, you change the color to whatever you want. You know, you could change the font color itself so it's highlighted. You could come into here and click on this, drag it, space it, however you want, right? There's multiple different ways you can do this stuff. So I don't want to go too in depth with that type of stuff, but I'm just showing you again, that's how you remove a background, and then you could just start working on your project. So I'll leave it at that for this video, and just keep an eye out on my channel. Again, subscribe, hit the like button please on this video, and yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Just keep an eye out. I'm going to be putting videos out on all sorts of different software and AI tools that are going to help you be successful and save money online in your online efforts, okay, and help you to be successful. All right, see you in the next one.